Hello driver. So if you have a car and you're driving on the local, but for some reason everything is good, right? Until you reach on the highway and you're moving like 60 miles per hour and your engine start to shake, this is the problem. Your air filter is dirty. All you gotta do is just change it before you spend more money and buying plugs and wires for your engine. So do this first. Always change your air filter, okay? Because the intake is not getting no air and your engine is shaking. So basically everything is off running, okay? So air filter dirty, no air is not going inside the air filter, back to the intake. All right, hope this help. Thank you.